UNBOX Nation, today we got some smart tech. Yep, some more smart tech. Some smart tech for your bathroom, a small smart trash can. So if you're interested in something like this, I want you to stay tuned and check out this video. Alright? Yo Skippy, roll that intro. Okay YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. But you know how we do, before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we got some smart tech. Yep, some smart tech. From it's a smart trash can, alright? Alright, but let's get a few things out of the way. One, I'm not an expert. Two, I'm just a guy that loves taking gadgets. And three, I just like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel, alright? I'm not an expert, so spec junkies, don't beat me up down there in the comment section, alright? Alright, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Alright, now we get it out of the way. And today we're going to be looking at this smart trash can. It says, what is it? Smart sensor trash bin. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box and see what we got. Alright. Alright. Got nothing else in the box. Toss that box inside. Okay, we got a trash can wrapped in some plastic. Let's see if we can get everything out of here. Alright. Don't need that plastic. Let's see what we got. Oh, it comes with a roll of trash bags. I had no idea it came with trash bags. They didn't really mention that on the website. Alright. That's pretty cool. Let's see, we got some instruction booklet, and we got a charging cable right here. You know, this charging cable you're gonna have to keep up with because it's designed just for this device. So you know, it would have been nice if they would have had a USB-C charging cable, so you know, we have plenty of them laying around, or at the least a micro USB, because you know we got plenty of them cords laying around. But it is what it is. You know. Let's see, what is this? I think these are odor tabs or something like that. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Let's see here. Let's open this. Let me get this out of the way real quick. All right. Let's see what we got here. We got like a little ring. So I'm guessing this is where a ring to help keep the trash bag in. Okay. Here's the can itself. It's a little small can. You know, little grooves in it to hold that right there. Alright, you see the little ring. Alright, let's put this to the side right quick. Kind of get this out of my way for the moment. Let's see the brains of the operation right here. Here you have, okay, I don't know if it got any juice in there or not, but here's the lid, you know, the brains of the operation. Look like this is the sensor right here. And you have like a power button on this side, and not sure what these are right here. I'm gonna have to read the instructions and see what they are. Let's see. You can see the inside of it, and we have like the mint green colorway. I think they have like white and black and something like that. I'm not sure. Yeah. Let's see here. And it's supposed to have rechargeable battery in here. Here's a battery bin right here. So let's look inside. See what kind of batteries is in here. Well, you could, okay, this is what I'm saying. You could charge it two different ways. It has a rechargeable battery in here, and also has you can put, you know, two AAA batteries in here if you don't want to, you know, power it that way. So you have an option to use regular batteries or charge it up with use it with the USB. So let's go ahead and close this up. So I don't have those on the deck right now, or do I? I don't know, we'll see. But let's see, what is this inside here? Because it's supposed to be, okay, yeah, here's an area where you can put the little odor thing right here, little odor protection. So you put it in here, and you close this up, like so. It's supposed to snap in place. Bam, there you go. So let me see if I can power this thing on. Nope, doesn't have it. Okay. Oh, it has some juice. It has some juice. Look at that. What? Okay, it had a little juice, and that's cool. So yeah, you know, rechargeable batteries in here, and, or you know, if you want to use, you know, some AAA batteries. This is too cool. This is too cool. I mean, I'll sit here and play with this thing all day. But let's let me check out and see, you know, what this older thing looks like right here. Let's open this up. I might want to turn this off so it'll stop coming back, flipping on. How long do you have to push the button for it to stop doing that? Let's see here. I'm trying to get this thing out of here. Okay, it smells like almost like a lavender smell. Like a lavender smell. So let me try to. Okay, you had to press and hold for it to go off. Now the light was flashing, so let me go ahead and open this bad boy up and put this deodorizer in here. Put it in there like so. So let me see here. Do it this way to get it back in here. All right. So in the meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and get this bag together so we can go ahead and test this out. Okay, we got the trash bag of the roll, and FYI, you want when you are taking this when you're taking the trash bags apart, you want to be very careful with the ones they send you because they easily rip. As you can see right here, easily rip. So they're not the strongest in the world, but at least you know it's a bag. So let's take this ring out. All right. And from what I was looking at, you want to basically put the yellow pull tab from the trash bag around there like so. Same thing on the other side. Make sure it gets on that ring. It holds it on. So okay, once you got it in there, all right, got it. You know, and let's see here. You want to bring it around like this, so that when you get ready to stuff it in there, it'll stay inside. Tuck the excess right here. All right. Let's go ahead and put it down in here. All right. Now the trick is trying to get this bag to stay in there. Make sure you get in these grooves right here. Line up with those grooves. Do the other side, because I don't want that to. See, this is coming off right here. Because I don't want that to come off like that. I want to make sure this stays under here. So there we go. So it's a little tricky on the first try, but you know, and there we go. We got it in there. We got it in there. So now just go ahead and place the brains of the operation back on top. Make sure I got it done the right way. Let's see here. I think what I need to do is tuck some more of this excess in here. Yeah, that's what it was. All right. Make sure you get it all the way down on the sides. So you want these things to be flush. Yellows have to be flush. And let's try it again. Let's put this thing back on here. And there you go. I mean, you're gonna have a little bit of a gap, but you know, not much. Not bad. And I neglected to say earlier, this is your charging slot right here. But you got it in there, you know, trial and error, you know. Anyway, all right. So let's go ahead and power this on and see how it works. Okay, you long press. You see it blinking right here. Let me do that again. Let me long press to turn it off. All right, as you can see right here. Bring it closer to the camera. A little on and off, and here's a motion sensor. Hold, press and hold. All right, you hear that little sound. You see the red light beep twice, and there you go. And when they said it's supposed to stay open for 5 seconds once you once it senses motion. So 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000. So that was about 8 seconds. So a little more than 5 seconds. Let's double check that. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000. Yeah, 7 or 8 seconds. All right. So not bad, not bad. And also, if you're worried about your hand getting caught in here, the lid closing on you, you don't have to worry about that. As long as you're in the area right here, it's not going to close. Let's check it out. So I'm sitting right here. Say I'm just shredding up some papers or something like this, and like 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10. See, as long as you're right here, it's not going to close on you. So, but as soon as you take your hand away, then that countdown starts. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, and then the countdown starts. Also, it has a cool feature where you can just kick it, but as you can see, I can't kick it right here because it's on the desk, but I'm gonna knock on it and it'll automatically open. You notice my hands are nowhere near the sensor, right? I'm just gonna knock on it. Bam! Too easy, too cool, too easy. So you just you walking past, you want to throw something in the trash, you just want to kick it. Bam! Too easy. So you don't always have to have your hands up here. So see, walking in there, got my hands full, Let's see if it's going to close, Bam, going about your day. You got some more stuff to put in here. Hey, more trash. Bam, you good to go. I mean, that's not bad. That's not bad. So, do I think this is a good buy? Yeah. I mean, is it necessary? No. But it's nice to have, especially if you're a tech person and you like a lot of gadgets and stuff like that. I mean, it's cool. It's cool. Too cool. I mean, like I say, it's not a necessity. It's not something that you really need, but it's something cool to have. All right. But other than that, there we go. Other than that, that's it. That's it. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and try to hit that subscribe button. All right. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, the like button, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, and tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. Yep. It really helps the channel. All right. I appreciate everybody checking out the video. But check this out. This is just simple tech. I might have to start a little series called Simple Tech. What y'all think? I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna, if you have any more questions about it, you want to know a little bit more about it, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can find this product and get more detailed information on it. And if it's something that I didn't mention in here, just click on that link down in the description box. Get more information on it. All right. But like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. All right. Let's see here. The message for today. Don't take people for granted and don't use people. A lot of times, you're out there and people are trying to help you out and do things for you, and then you just treat them like trash. So the message for today basically is don't treat people like trash, and be considerate. Be considerate. Don't treat people like trash. I mean, when people are helping you out and doing things for you, just don't take them for granted. Be considerate and polite and kind. And be like, all right, and don't abuse them. You know what I'm saying? Somebody helping you out and doing things for you, and letting you have this or that. Don't abuse it. Just appreciate it and be considerate. All right. That's the message for today. Don't treat people like trash. This has been Man Mark. This has been your Man Mark for Loose Goose Views. Dr. Mike, and I'm out. Peace.